actually see some really familiar components.
The screen looks bigger.
I only have one
Is
question.
the screen bigger?
Shoot.
Why?
How often have you heard that today?
Okay,
First time,
okay,
actually.
Sorry.
Can't
You
wait
are
to hear more. So the Model 3 instrument panel in front of us,
Yeah.
steering wheel, center display, center console. Surprisingly, you're actually sitting on Model 3 seats right now. They're just set up on risers, so it's a little bit easier to get in and out of.
I'm just gonna warn you. I'm gonna ask that same stupid question again on camera.
Why?
So which motor's in here? Is this the performance motor as well?
This is long range dual motor.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, dual motor.
Oh!
That's why he said wear a seatbelt. That's why he said wear a seatbelt.
Okay.
So are you a
okay.
professional race driver,
Okay.
or?
I only have one question.
What's that, Adam?
Why?
Awesome.
Just giving you a sense there of how low the center of gravity is.
Yeah.
How we
You
can
didn't tip
optimize
us.
handling.
And it's all springs right now on this thing? Or
This
no
is,
air suspension?
This is a coil suspension.
Yeah, no air suspension. This is that 3 platform.
We made that three
Just those
platforms.
good coils. That good spring.
You definitely want to have a look up as well to take a look at
Oh,
the
that
giant
is
piece of glass
very
up.
sexy.
Okay,
Yep.
so it's
Yep.
the full glass like a Model S.
That's right, yeah.
Thank you for the ride.
Yeah, no
awesome
worries.
ride.
You complete me.
If you wouldn't mind taking your seatbelts off, and then I'll have you exit to the left in the rear here.
Way ahead of you.